Good day, everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to convert your PowerPoint or your file in Canva into JPEG or PNG. So here's what are we going to do. No, so let's say you're done editing your Canva poster, PowerPoint, or anything, and you want to convert it into JPEG or PNG. So here's what are we going to do. First, click the right click button here, the share one, and then kindly click download. And then after that, kindly choose the file type. So you have the option, it's either JPEG or PNG. JPEG is best for sharing. PNG is best for complex images illustration. So let's say for example, you created a poster that contains more levels of images or complex, you're going to download it as PNG. Or if it is just simple image, you can download JPEG. And then you can resize it. Here you can change. Or if it's not, it's okay. And then you have the option if you want to download everything. So or you want to download the page one only, click done. And then after that, click download. And then let us wait for our download to be completed. And then here we have it. So here's the picture, the JPEG file. Okay, so here we have it. Here's the JPEG file that we download a while ago.